Your chat widget helps you connect with customers without moving them from your pages. So, for those more social media forward customers or any ads you'll run on social media, you can use the new Meta messaging channel widgets and connect to them directly on their preferred platform. Let's learn how. Begin by navigating to the Chat Widget tab within the Sites section and create a new widget. Select Facebook or Instagram as your chat type. Head to the Chat Window tab and select a connected Facebook page or Instagram account. Save the widget and embed it using the Get Code option. These widget types provide a cleaner, predictable, and unified experience, similar to what we have for WhatsApp, helping you reduce friction by integrating onboarding flows and page connection and increasing your operational efficiency. Use this new chat widget type to enhance customer engagement, streamline operations, and drive sales without making customers leave your pages. We hope you enjoy it.